Hey, you alright, buddy? You cool? You cool? What happened? Where at? Flip over, flip over, flip over. Which one?
This one.
Where? Your knee?
I tried to move it. I move it down. Feels broken, fool.
How the fuck? I did it. Success, big buddy. Sorry. Ah, fuck. Ooh, that's a good one. Damn, you got time. That peg's cool. That peg is cool. You got that. Cool. Fuck it. Let me see it, cool. Look at that.
Slow down.
Yeah, dude, you got it.
How high did I go?
I'm pretty high, dude. I got that shit on camera.
Nice, is the bike okay?
It's the handlebars.
That's what happened to me last night.
Cool, are you gonna be able to get up? Yeah. I don't even want to touch your side.
Well, Brent.
That ain't shit compared to that. You're gonna feel that in the shower. You alright? You alright, dude? That ain't shit. I've just gonna have words, dude. Alright? Don't fuck in. You know what I mean? Yeah. Sit down up there. Go. Sit down. Need help walking?
I'm trying to get up there.
Look at Danny, fool. Fuck.